Hey guys, I got a video for you that I kind of need some answers, I guess. I don't know that much about flashlight drags, but I don't know. Do you know? Is it a jump when you go on the light, or do you wait until the flashlight is pointed straight in your eyes? That's what I'm just not sure. And so I'll show you in the video. I did anticipate the run. You know, tried to make sure I cut the best light that I could, because I really thought he was going to run me down, and I was kind of hoping I could kind of tree him a little bit. So great kid. I know he's had some trouble with tuning and stuff on his turbo Camaro, but you know, and once he gets it lined out, I have a feeling he's going to eat my lunch pretty hard, and unless I step my game up a little bit. So I look forward to future races with this kid.
What kind of start was that?
Yo, what the frick was that? What?
The red Mustang went?
Close. I would love your opinion. Tell me if I jumped. You know, I certainly apologize for it. I did. You know, I was always under the impression when the light comes on, you go. It's really close. I mean, it is really close.